What's up, guys? I came down to this creek this morning, try it out. I haven't had much luck on the main river. It rained majority of the night into the morning hours. Um, Hopefully the catfish moved up in here and are eating. Hopefully we find out. Let's get to it. Finally, after like 6 trips, finally got one. Monsters, but fish. I like this. Stay hooked. Yeah, hooked. I don't know if you consider it a double, but pretty much back to back. Pretty awesome. We're doing pretty good today so far. Hope it's thick. Number 5. All right. Got something going on with his tail there. Something must have tried to grab a hold of him. I think that's going to do it for me. 5 fish after a pretty bad end of the summer, I guess you could say. Like I said, I haven't had much luck on the main river. That kind of changed today. Pretty happy about it. Thanks for watching, guys. Check out my Facebook, Mon River Cats. Instagram, there's links on my page here. Same with the website, mrcfishing.com. Check it out. Hopefully have some shirts up there here soon. Maybe be giving them away. Thanks for watching, guys. Hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks.